A very good morning. Yes, to be very honest, I am not feeling confident since I did not study after I would say three after three after 3 p.m. because I had not slept. Had I slept, I would have definitely studied properly. Yes. uh, Forget about this. I could have doesn't matter now. I could have at least I could have completed my not making of GA. Yes. So are I know you are not able to understand because what I told you was after what I told you happened after 3 p.m. Yes. Array technically I did not study after 3 p.m. yaar. Technically I did not study after 3 p.m. I yeah, I did the same thing. I did the things that should not have been done. I started talking to Alin. I started talking to my I kept in I basically I indulged in phone. Yes. Yes. I have to avoid now. I have to avoid this yaar. I have to avoid this habit yaar. Because only 84 days are left. Yeah, 84 days are left, and after 84 days, SBI PO SBI will conduct its PO prelims paper. Yes, I know. Yeah, I have to prepare GA. I have to prepare mains. Yeah, yesterday was my mains days. Yesterday was my mains days of quant. Yes, according to schedule, I had to according to schedule I had to give one mock of maths reason of mains mains quant. Yes. अरे यार यार Okay, no, okay, I cannot do anything. I cannot do nothing about the days that about the days that have gone, but I can do use the remaining days properly. I can use the remaining days properly. Yes. Today I have to give so today I have to do a lot of work. I According to schedule I have to give one full length mock. I have to give one full length mock of prelims. Today is my prelims day. Yes. Hmm. Yeah, yesterday was my mains day. That too of that too of what? That too of quant. Hmm. यार. Hmm. Yeah, and let me tell you one thing. While I was revising, Shalu called me, but I did not pick her call. Or after completing my revision session, I called her and started talking to her. And after some time, I also started talking to Rinku Bhaiya. Yes, Rinku Bhaiya. Basically, I talked to them for 30 minutes. After that I went my home. I went my home. After that, I had what I would say. I had a glass of coconut water. Then after some time, I started making tea for myself. Yes, after making tea for myself, I had it along with some biscuits. Yes, after that, I went upstairs and started my studies. I started my studies. Obviously, I started my studies. Yes, I started my studies. Okay. I started my studies. Yeah, after starting my studies, yes. I started my studies from study from descriptive, and yesterday I also started making notes. Yes, initially I started making notes on A4 sheet papers, but I found that thing not productive, not productive. That is why I had to make notes, or that is why I had to make notes on the same notebooks, on the same notebook in which in which I was thinking to make notes last year. Yes, and to be very honest, making notes of GA will help me a lot, because making notes of general awareness will help me a lot, because will help me a lot because I can because I can retain more things. I can retain more things. Yes, okay. uh, yes, okay. Yeah, after completing my GA, to be very honest, I only completed a news related to banking and finance, and related to state, and I did not, apart from that, I did not make notes of any I did not make notes of any news. I did not make notes of any news. Okay. Yeah. So in a nutshell, I did not make notes related to report. I did not make notes related to international affairs. I did not make notes related to military defense. Yes, defense. Yes, yeah, yeah. Report is very important. See multiple reports. See multiple reports have been released by different organizations, and the output, or the output of those and the outputs of those reports are very important. Yes. huh. And the outputs of those reports are very important. Okay. Yes. And yes, after that I had my lunch, and I had thought to take bath after 7 p.m. Then after 7 p.m., I headed I headed to bed. I tried to sleep. I After reaching there, I tried to sleep, but I did not. I tried to sleep, but I did not sleep, or why I was unable to sleep. That is why I would say, uh, that is why the problem the problem generated. That is why, had I slept properly, I would have definitely completed my yesterday's main session. Yes. uh, okay. hmm. I like to revise. In this atmosphere. I like to revise in a tranquil atmosphere, so that I could focus. So that I could focus on my studies. Yes. अरे यार आज का, ओहो भाई, जाने दूंगा भाई मैं। हाँ, हाँ, definitely I will utilize my today. I will utilize my today day my I will utilize today my today's day properly. I have to give one mock, full length mock of prelims. Yes. And yes, as far as I can remember, I have not uploaded my yesterday's videos on YouTube. Yes. And day before yesterday's videos, day before yesterday's video was uploaded by me on YouTube, but I did not but I did not watch my own videos, since I did not have time to watch. Since I did not have time to watch. Yes. Since I did not have time to watch. Yeah. And apart from, I want to say one thing also. While my phone was switched off, Nitin called me, and once I switched on my switched on once I switched on my phone, I saw a notification. I saw a message related to Nitin's missed call. I saw a message. I saw a message related to Nitin's missed call. Then I called him. Then I called him. Or basically he was going to Khatu Shyamji he was in the mid of his journey. He had he he had reached Rewari. That is why he thought he had reached, very important, he had reached Rewari. That is why he thought that is why he thought to call me. Yes, but my phone was switched off. uh, Basically, he is free, he is free now. Yeah. अरे यार मुझे ना, it is of no use thinking about things that could have been done by me, that were in my control. despite being Despite being in my control, I did not. यार ये तो मैं, हाँ, that is what I have realized ना. If I do proper study, then I do not, then I feel not, I would say, negative thoughts do not come in my mind if I study properly. Yes, and if I do not do so, the negative thought starts coming in my mind. I I become I become I become I become or I become underconfident. Yes. Okay then.